Hi, my name is Cheyenne, and I'm excited to be everyone's classmate. An asset that I bring to the table is going to be my experience. I was formerly a group home manager for foster and probation teen boys. I am currently a mental health counselor for elementary age students who have experienced trauma, so sort of in the field of behavioral health. And prior to that, I was a mental health counselor at a high school. The second asset I believe I bring to the table, I believe I always look at things on the bright side. Even in a clinical aspect, I try to find creative solutions and interventions for my clients and the kids I work with. And lastly, I bring a lot of curiosity. I tend to learn best from my classmates and hearing how the content relates to their experiences, as I hope they're different than mine. That is one of my favorite ways to learn, so I'm excited for that. And I'm also excited to be everyone's classmate again. And if I haven't met you, hi, I'm Cheyenne. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.